Sure, I'd be happy to help you learn about AutoCAD. AutoCAD is a computer-aided design (CAD) software that is commonly used in engineering, architecture, and construction industries. It is a powerful tool that allows users to create, edit, and view 2D and 3D designs and drawings. Here are some steps to get you started with learning AutoCAD. Familiarize yourself with the user interface. Before you start using AutoCAD, take some time to explore the user interface. This will help you understand the different tools and features available in the software. Learn basic commands. AutoCAD has many different commands that you can use to create and edit designs. Start with the basic commands such as line, circle, rectangle, and arc. These commands will allow you to create basic shapes and lines. Practice with simple drawings. Start practicing by creating simple 2D drawings. This will help you understand the different tools and commands and how they can be used together to create more complex designs. Explore more advanced features. Once you are comfortable with the basics, start exploring more advanced features such as 3D modeling, layers, and blocks. Take an online course. There are many online courses available that can teach you how to use AutoCAD. These courses can be a great way to learn the software in a structured and organized way. I hope these tips help you get started with learning AutoCAD. Let me know if you have any other questions or if there's anything else I can help you with.